Yeah, hi friends, welcome to our channel Electrical Products Review. So today we are going to review two LED torches. So one is the Havells brand torch, the world class Havells brand torch, like 0.5 watt Havells brand torch, and another one we have is like 24 energy, local brand 24 energy brand rechargeable LED torch. So these are the packaging we have for these torches. One we have is a Havells brand, it's 0.5 watt bright white LED. The model is like LED Pathfinder, inbuilt rechargeable maintenance free battery is built in this torch. Let me give you some specifications for this torch. So these are the features of the Havells Pathfinder 5 torch we have. It comes in the like 0.5 watt bright white LED. Power on off indicator is given. Like it gives the backup up to like 8 hours of light time. It will give a backup, and built-in like charger for plug and play application is given in this torch. High quality plastic body, powerful 4 volt to like 400 mAh battery, rechargeable battery is given. So some instructions are given in this torch as well, like how to plug in the torch, like slide the button at the bottom of the torch in order to eject the supply, then we have to plug into the 3-pin socket, and also the note is been given in this, like always ensure that the flashlight switch is in the off position before charging. And then for the first time you have to charge for like 18 hours for this torch. So this is the packaging we have, imported by Havells India. Like these are the address given of the office address, registered office address for customer complaint. They have given the same. They have given the Havells. It's in the Havells like Noida, sector 126 Expressway, Noida. They have their office. So these are like packaging of Havells brand. Now let's come up to the packaging of like 24 energy brand packaging. So this is the packaging of like 24 energy, which are like local brand packaging, local LED light. They have given 8 watt laser LED in this one, and then they have given some advanced energy saving circuit. They have given like a high brightness and long life modern age battery rechargeable. Now let's have the specifications of this torch, of this local brand 24 energy rechargeable torch. They have given some instructions, the same instructions like how to use this torch, forward lantern, backward. They have given like 2 modes in this torch. They are given like one is in the bottom of the torch, and one they have given in the top of the torch, like LED display they have given. And then they have given like first press, then push or plug the button, like turn off before charging. So you have to always turn off the torch, like charge, and charging daytime is recommended, like do not charge in moist condition. And they have given the specification as well, like power source, AC 220 volt to 240, like 50 to 60 hertz it works on. Battery we have is like 4 volt, like 500 mAh battery. Light source they have given 8 watt laser LED plus 3 high bright SMD. Now let's unbox these torches one by one, and let's find out like how this torches works out. Let me unbox first of all Havells torch. So this comes in this packaging, in this type of packaging, and let me show you how it looks like. Let me blow up this pack. Yeah, this is the light of the Havells brand Pathfinder 0.5 watt light. So this is a sample. You can see the brightness of the light is like good one from Havells brand. And so this is they have given charging point in this one. So this is the charging point they have given two legs are there, like positive and negative, or you can say like phase and neutral supply. So this is the Havells torch. It comes in the like good way. It's looking good. LED is also like light is good according to like 0.5 watts. Now look at now we will like look at 24 energy. Let's unbox this 24 energy torch as well. So in this way this torch looks like, and this is the brightness of 24 energy light, and they have given the like dawn mode as well. So you can see you can see like they have given two modes in this torch, and this torch comes up in the range of like 150 range. So in the market you can get it in like 150 range, and Havells brand torch comes in the 200 mark, 200 to 250 mark range. So let's so I will give you some knowledge on this like torch, how this works on. So simply like AC voltage is been given to this torches, and these are the LED torches. So inside we have one inbuilt battery is there, and one inbuilt circuit is there. So the main part of battery is to charge these torches, and the main part of circuit is to convert AC supply into DC supply and give the supply to the LEDs. This is the main LED we have in these torches. So these LEDs works on so DC volts, DC supply, like a direct supply. We can't work like LEDs on AC supplies. So the main part is like there is a inbuilt circuit is there, in which transformers, diodes and resistors are there, which like transformers like step up the voltage like 220 volt to or like 9 volt or 12 volts or 5 volts, and then the main circuit part converts the DC supply to the like AC supply, like alternating current supply to the DC supply, and then the circuit wise like and then the final like supply has been given to this LED. So when this supply comes to this LED part, so this glows up. So in this way this is the principle of these torches and all the LED products which we work on. So this was the overall view of two torches. So good wise like both are the good ones, and like brand wise Havells is the better one. So local brand is also good, it works nicely. So I will recommend like both the torches according to your budget. You can buy in the market if you are interested to buy. And so subscribe our channel, like our channel and share our channel as well, and keep watching our channel, and subscribe and follow our channel as well for more videos on electrical products and electrical knowledge. Bye, have a nice day. Bye.